Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. With Ramadan just around the corner, or perhaps already here for many of you, I wanted to talk about something really important. We all know Ramadan as the month of fasting, from sunrise to sunset. But have you ever stopped to think about what it's truly about? Why is this month so incredibly special to over 1 billion people worldwide? The truth is, Ramadan is so much more than just abstaining from food and drink. It's a complete spiritual, mental, and physical reset button. So, let's start with the most obvious aspect, the fast or Psalm. Why do we do it? On the surface, it's an act of obedience to God, but digging deeper, it's a powerful lesson in empathy. When you feel the pangs of hunger and thirst, you get a tiny glimpse into the daily reality of those less fortunate. It humbles you, it makes you grateful for the blessings you often take for granted, like a simple glass of water or a warm meal. This feeling of empathy isn't meant to be temporary. It's meant to spark a desire for action, for charity, or zakat and sadaqah. Ramadan is a peak time for giving, a reminder that we are all part of one community and we have a responsibility to look after one another. But the fast goes beyond the stomach. It's also about fasting with our tongues, our eyes, and our minds. This means refraining from gossip, arguments, and negative speech. It means lowering our gaze from things that are harmful and distracting ourselves from meaningless entertainment. It's about consciously choosing to consume content that uplifts you and brings you closer to your purpose. Think of it as a month-long digital detox and a spiritual cleanse. By cutting out the noise, you create space. Space for what, you ask? That brings me to the core spiritual purpose of Ramadan, strengthening your connection with God. This month is when the Quran, the holy book of Islam, was first revealed. So, Muslims spend more time reading, reciting, and reflecting on its verses. The nights are filled with extra prayers, known as Taraweeh, where communities stand shoulder to shoulder, praying together. There's a special kind of peace and tranquility that fills the air during these nights. It's a time for deep introspection, for asking for forgiveness, and for making heartfelt prayers, or dua. It's about looking inward, identifying your weaknesses, and making a sincere commitment to become a better person. This self-improvement isn't just about spirituality, it's about character. The discipline it takes to fast all day, to wake up before dawn for a meal, and to stand in prayer at night builds incredible patience, or sabr. You learn self-control on a whole new level. When you're hungry and tired, it's easy to get irritable. But Ramadan teaches you to manage those feelings, to be kind and gentle even when it's difficult. This builds a mental and emotional resilience that extends far beyond the month itself. You're essentially training yourself to be more mindful, patient, and compassionate in your everyday life. And finally, let's not forget the beautiful aspect of community. From sharing iftar, the meal to break the fast, with family and friends, to praying together at the mosque, Ramadan is a time that brings people together. Strangers share food, families reconnect, and communities strengthen their bonds. It breaks down social barriers and reminds us of our shared humanity. That feeling of unity is incredibly powerful and uplifting. So, when you see your Muslim friends or neighbors observing Ramadan, know that it's not a month of hardship, but a month of immense growth and blessing. It's about empathy, charity, self-discipline, spiritual connection, and community. It's a reboot for the soul, designed to lead you feeling renewed, grateful, and closer to both God and humanity. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this gave you a deeper insight into the beautiful month of Ramadan. If you learned something new, give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Ramadan Mubarak to all who are observing. Peace.